Good morning to all of you. Today here I am Anmol Rehan from class plus 2 non-medical. I will explain you a topic in chemistry called standard electrode potential. But before starting the topics, firstly I want to thanks to principal ma'am and all other respective teachers to do such a hard work to teach the students. Now we will discuss what is the standard electrode potential. The standard electrode potential is the electric potential of a half cell measured under the standard conditions relative to the standard hydrogen electrode. Next definition here comes, what is a standard hydrogen electrode? The standard hydrogen electrode consists of a platinum wire connected with a platinum surface in the aqueous solution at a pressure of 180 m, 1 atmospheric pressure. Hydrogen electrode. The hydrogen gas is bubbled around a platinum electrode, and when it is done, the hydrogen gas gets oxidized to protons, or protons gets reduced to hydrogen gas. At electrode. At electrode, the hydrogen gas gets oxidized to hydrogen ions, or hydrogen ions gets reduced to hydrogen gas. Now two reactions are possible. First, H2 is equals to 2H positive plus 2E negative, and second, 2H positive plus 2 electrons is equals to hydrogen gas. These are the two reactions. Now here the value of E0 is equals to 0.00 volts. Now from definition it is clear that what was the definition. Firstly we will repeat. The standard electrode potential is an electrode potential of a half cell measured under standard condition relative to SHE. SHE means standard hydrogen electrode. This was the definition. We will have relative. Relative means with relation with SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode. We will take a zinc half cell and with relation to SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. We will keep zinc at anode and hydrogen at cathode. You will see that when electron flow will be there, the zinc gets oxidized. What are the reactions? The zinc, the Zn gets equal to Zn2 positive plus 2E, and hydrogen gets equal to 2H positive plus 2E is equals to H2. When we will combine these equations, we get Zn plus H2 is equals to Zn2 positive plus H2. Here the value of standard electrode potential is 0.76 volts. Why we say that the zinc gets oxidized? It is because the zinc's electrode potential is more negative than the electrode potential of hydrogen. Now same, we will take a case of copper half cell connected with SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode, and we will see what will happen in this case. In case of copper, you will see that the totally reverse reaction will occur. Now in first case, in zinc's case, the hydrogen electrode was on cathode, but in this copper's case the hydrogen electrode will be at anode and copper will be at cathode. Now in this, electrons flow from SHE to copper, that is standard hydrogen electrode to copper's electrode. When we will combine, then Cu2 positive plus H2 is equals to Cu plus 2H positive. The value here for electrode potential is 0.34 volts. Now I will give you reason why this happens. This happens because this value of electrode potential of copper half cell is more positive than the value of SHE's potential, that is standard hydrogen electrodes potential.